Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Episode 1. Medicine in Islam. Medicine in Islam holds great significance. Authentic narrations have demonstrated the importance of seeking treatment, and the Prophet, peace be upon him, guided Muslims towards it in his saying, "For every illness there is a cure." When the cure corresponds to the disease, healing occurs by the permission of Allah the Exalted. Sahih Muslim. He also said when asked about treatment, "Seek treatment, O servants of Allah, for Allah has not created a disease without also creating its cure, except for old age." Sahih Muslim. Medical discussions multiplied, and numerous works and treatises were written that examined what was mentioned in the prophetic sunnah regarding healing. Muslim scholars studied and investigated these matters, producing research that filled Islamic libraries across the centuries. These works became a beacon from which both Eastern and Western nations benefited in their medical studies. Among those devoted to this field of prophetic medicine is the Saudi researcher Dr. Salwa Saqr Al-Muhammadi, a member of the Sheikh Yusuf Abdul Latif Jamil Chair at King Abdulaziz University, a member of the World Organization of Authentic Medicine, the Electronic Medical University, and the Kuwait Alternative Medicine Society. She was also nominated for the Sheikh Zayed Award in its third edition. Dr. Salwa dedicated nearly 44 years of her life to preparing a comprehensive study on prophetic medicine. During this time, she was keen to eliminate the myths and unfounded stories that had crept into our heritage, falsely attributed to prophetic medicine, including fabricated and weak narrations. She did not stop at the theoretical level, but engaged in clinical experiments in cooperation with renowned hospitals, supported by medical observations from specialists, and validated by certified laboratories. Her research was documented according to proper standards of experimental medicine. She combined authentic spiritual healing with experimental medicine, and the results were remarkable. Many patients with chronic conditions, resistant to conventional treatment, recovered by the grace of Allah. Her study was entitled Healing Ailments Through Authentic Prophetic Medicine. It was later published as a book, with the first volume released in 2022. By Allah's grace, it achieved notable success among medical circles specializing in prophetic and alternative medicine, and benefited many people. The 44 years of effort were not a smooth path for Dr. Salwa. She faced obstacles, hardships, and attempts to belittle her work. Yet despite these discouragements, Allah granted her supporters who stood by her and strengthened her resolve. Among them was the Kuwaiti electronic site Terathna, headed by Dr. Mohammed bin Ibrahim al-Shaibani, which published her research in a series of articles accessible to both specialists and the general public worldwide. The series received wide acclaim and success among readers across the globe, with some episodes achieving high readership and even reaching trending status on the website. Key themes of the book Healing Ailments Through Authentic Prophetic Medicine, first volume. Efforts of early Muslim scholars in compiling works on prophetic medicine. The authority of prophetic medicine and scholarly debates surrounding it. Topics and categories of prophetic medicine. Prophetic guidance on preserving health and well-being, including cupping, hijama, and matters of spiritual care. Therapeutic, psychological, and spiritual aspects of prophetic medicine. The concept and rulings of ruqyah, spiritual recitation. Studies on the origins of ruqyah, envy across religions, and the benefits and timings of hijama. Weak and fabricated hadiths concerning medicine. Authentic hadiths on healing hijama and acupuncture treatment using the blessed soil of Makkah, and studies on different types of soil, research and application of herbal medicine. Methods of assessing whether an illness is physical or non-physical. Endorsements and certifications for the researcher from distinguished medical and scientific institutions. We shall meet again, Allah willing, in the next episode to discuss one of the book's key themes. May you remain in goodness. Peace and blessings be upon you.